Okay, sir. Right. Thank you, sir. You Rao, sir. Sir, is it audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay. So, good evening, everyone. And I feel it is a privilege to present today's app about how to enhance. So, how to enhance the speaking skills of our students, right? And ELTA has been doing wonderful services for making the teachers to become tech savvy and also to hone with the advanced technological skills, right? So just there is a small introduction before presenting my app. Yeah. I wanted to begin my presentation with a quote. So if you speak, you can influence. If you can influence, you can change lives. So this is how the importance of speaking is there in our day-to-day life. And as a teachers of English, so we are very much concerned about the speaking skills of our students. Since I'm showing this app through mobile, because this is an Android app, and I cannot show the Android app on my desktop or laptop, as you know pretty well, because my laptop or desktop runs with a Linux operating system or like Windows operating system. So for showing the apps of Android, so we have to download BlueStacks. Separate software will be there. BlueStacks software we have to download, and then we can show both these all Android apps on our desktops or laptops. But now to overcome this problem, Windows has come up with a solution. They have introduced Windows 11. So now I think within very near future, within six short span of time, like 6 months or within the end of this 2021, I think every teachers will be using this Windows 11, where you can use all the Android apps also from your desktops. Yeah. So you know pretty well regarding English is a skill subject and not a content based one. And there are many debates regarding our teaching of English at the school level, whether we are teaching English as a language or as a subject. So we have to think. So whenever we are concerned to our language classroom, so better to present it as a language, but never try to present English as a subject. And regarding the 4 skills of English language, such as listening, speaking, reading and writing, LSRW. And now English is not only a language, but also a technology. And ELTA has taking this message forward by making every teacher as a technocrat. And because not only a language, but also it is a technology. And you know pretty well regarding the language skills, we can categorize them into 2, like receptive skills and productive skills. The receptive skills are like listening and reading, and coming to the productive skills like speaking and writing. So whenever authorities or any others visit our school, public representatives or any others, or whenever we are conducting any occasions or any important national days in our school, so generally we showcase the talent of our students by showcasing these productive skills, that is speaking and also the writing. Yeah. So here, when we are talking about the situation or the scenario that is being prevailing in our rural areas, because many of the teachers are working in the rural areas of our Telangana state. So coming to the rural areas children, there is a problem. Whenever we are engaging the classes for them, the response from the students in the target language is minimal or very minimum. And most of the time, the students, they are very passive towards learning and they are reluctant to give responses. In some cases, we have to question ourselves, and if we don't get any responses, we have to give the response for the questions. And we have to tailor the subject to their need, and we have to go down to their level and what the situation is happening after the reopening of the schools. So how the standards of the children are there, and many of the educationists has termed this period as the educational crisis. So to overcome all these things, we have to use the advanced technological skills, or advanced resources where we can engage meaningful engagement of our students. And because of conventional methods of teaching, that has been not at all yielding fruitful results. That's the reason we have to go for modern approaches and learning approaches, which will be very much suitable for the learning styles of our students. So with this just introduction, so here there are different speaking apps. Actually, the intention of our president, Honorable President T.V. Rao sir, and our General Secretary Vinay Dharra sir, so they wanted to make many of the teachers to come forward, and they have to be like presenters. That's the reason they have not restricted all the earlier presenters who were there in the webinars that were conducted in the first phase in the 23 webinars. They have restricted them, and they have given more opportunities for the new ones. And this is the webinar, this is the sessions where the teachers who practiced for long, from the last 1 year, and now they have been they were the presenters for this session. And just they have given me just a very small topic. It will be very just for a duration of 15 minutes, and the other important topics will be dealt by all the other active resource persons in the upcoming sessions. And also now you can see a live example of our Shyam Sundar Reddy sir, who has been engaged, who has been very active in our connecting classrooms project and all action research project. And you can see his presentation after my completion of my presentation. So coming to how to improve the speaking skills of the students. So there are many a number of apps are there, but coming to that are very much feasible, that are very much suitable to our classroom situation, or to the level of the students. So it's very simple one, coming to this Google Assistant. So this Google Assistant, you can you and your students can enjoy a lot. So earlier, so where iPhones were there, so the Google Assistant was not there for that. The app was inbuilt, like a Siri app is there in that. So in iPhone, Siri app is there. So just by talking to Siri, so Siri, how was the traffic in Himayat Nagar? It will give it gave the response. So Siri app is there. And coming to where we are using like Amazon and all these things, like Alexa. So Alexa, turn on the music. So it will do it for you. Like Alexa, turn on this any new movie. Automatically, if you tell the name of the movie, it will do it for you. And turn off the lights, it will do it for you. So to go beat all these things like Siri app or like Alexa, which are very much costly, and the devices are very much costly. So Android also. So the team behind the Android, the Google developers, they also came up with a solution. This one is the Google Assistant. So what is the use of this Google Assistant? Means the students can enjoy a lot. They can enjoy speaking to this Google Assistant. And many of the teachers from the past 2 years, they are using this Google Assistant, and they have yielded fruitful results in their classroom situations. So whenever nowadays, all Android phones, inbuilt app is there. This Google Assistant is an inbuilt app for all the Android mobiles. So if the in Android mobile, if this app is not there, you can just go to Play Store and you can download it, and you can start. You can encourage your students to use this Google Assistant to talk, and they can just open that Google Assistant, and they can ask who is the Prime Minister of India. Automatically it shows. And if you can ask Google, crack me a joke, it will tell you a joke, it will present a joke, or number of things like Google just connect my mobile to T. Venkateshwar Rao sir. Automatically it will connect, and no need of going to the opening of this phone, and just typing the name of TV Rao sir and connecting like this. So this Google Assistant will serve all these purposes. And as a students, we can recommend, and we strongly recommend for using of this Google Assistant app. And I think many teachers know this, but if any teachers who are very new for this platform, they can use in primary level also. This app will serve the purpose of enhancing the speaking skills of the students. And the next one is which I'm going to teach to you today, which I'm going to present it today, is about English speaking practice app. So this app is icon will be there like a talk. And the next one is about speech notes, which will be dealt by our Shyam Sundar Reddy sir. Yeah, actually we thought of our plan is to introduce one professor from IIIT Hyderabad. So where he has done his research work. So actually he has completed his research work from Indian Institute of Science, the premier science institute in our India, IISc Bangalore, and he developed an algorithm. That algorithm, yeah, just a minute. And that was the algorithm where it was built and it was developed, which is helpful for improving the accent. It will be identifying the lacunas or the shortcomings in your speech, and it will tell you how to pronounce that particular word or particular phrase or particular sentence, like that. So further they have developed an algorithm, and that was a major research project. And our intention is that we have to invite that his name is Chiranjeevi. He's working as an assistant professor at IIIT Hyderabad. And today's session, we wanted to introduce him, but due to some hectic schedule, he is unavailable today. That's the reason just we are introducing you only these two apps. And with this short introduction, I will just go to the Google Play Store, and I'll tell you how to download this app. Yeah. Just go to Google Play Store and just type English Speaking Practice App. English Speaking Practice App. So you are going to get many apps for this. So here the first one itself, you can see Cambly. That is also a wonderful one. And our intention is not only making our students to speak or to excel in speaking, but to make them prepare for future examinations, like the spell bee or any other competitive exams, or also whenever so you can see the paradigm shift in choosing a career. Our government students also, they are going now for abroad. So whenever they are going for abroad, they have to attempt like a TOEFL, so test of English as a foreign language, or like IELTS or GRE. So from the school age itself, if you introduce these speaking apps or writing apps or listening and reading apps, automatically when they when they get a chance, when they get an opportunity to attend this TOEFL or like GRE or IELTS, definitely they can come up with a good score. And yeah, so here this particularly, whenever you type English speaking practice app, you can see the particularly icon with the talk, TALK talk. So that is being actually that was installed in my mobile. Just yeah, I wanted to clear. Right. So I'm just opening this one. I wanted to uninstall, and later I will install it. So whenever you are installing any app, so try to see the features of that app. So try to see here. You can see English speaking practice, Talk English, developed by Talk English, and you can see here contain ads. So here there are some ads are there, and in-app purchases are also there. Okay. So when just I'm scrolling down, so the developer contact, you can contact the developer also whenever you feel any problems in opening the app, or in some apps when they are developed newly, so like they may be having a crash. So you can directly contact the developer of this app, like earlier we contacted the Wise app owner. Yeah. So here you can see the contact information, and here you can go for join the beta version. And when we wanted to know about this app, particularly this app, you can see here. So this is all about practice your English speaking and listening with short English conversations. So why particularly I'm introducing this app? Because I have been using this app since 1.5 years, and introduced to my students, and I have got fruitful results. And you can see English when we are whenever we are introducing different situations, or like different scenarios like that, conversations will play a vital role in speaking. I think that's the reason many of our textbooks, and you can see many conversations will be there. And in particular, and particularly this app is also is full of conversations. Yes. And the accent of the students will be developed a lot. Whenever we are trying like there are a number of Englishes. So like Indian English, British English, American English, or also Telangana English is also. But if you want to make our students to develop their accent in speaking in English, particularly this app will help you a lot to overcome all the hurdles or the obstacles that they are facing to improve their accent. And within just 2 or 3 months, you can listen to the accent of the students, and automatically you can oh, sorry. Sir, just a minute. Sorry, sir. Again, I lost my screen. Okay. So you have to try to read the reviews also. Whenever you are downloading any app, you try to read the reviews. So here you can see it is rated 4.6. It is rated 4.6 and 33,000 reviews. It's 33,000 reviews are there for this particular app, and it is rated 3+. Rated 3+. And the downloads, coming to the downloads point of view, 5 million plus downloads are there for this app. So these are the features. So whenever you are downloading any app, try to read all the, try to check the content, try to read the ratings and the reviews. So here you can see the reviews, the recent reviews, like on 8th of August 2021. So Padmini Santosh has written a review like that. So you can also try to, whenever you are using any new app, whenever you come across any new app, you wanted to write a review on that particular app, you can also write, and that will be very much helpful to others who are downloading this app. Yeah. Okay, just click on this install button, and so the size of this app is 62.57 MB. The size of this app is 62.57 MB. So ensure the space in your mobile or in the device of the students that they have to delete, they have to remove the unnecessary videos or unnecessary apps, because without the space they cannot download the app. Okay, so once when you have done of installing the app, simply just go to open, and you can see here English speaking and listening, English speaking English for beginners. So there is like a tutorial, watch video or skip video, and you can see the developers powered by talkenglish.com. Just I don't want to go for the watching of video. I just wanted to skip this video, and just we can go here. It is asking for some permissions. So allow English speaking practice to record audio. So while using this app, so we have to give permission. Nearly 500 plus conversations are there in this app. 500 plus conversations are there, and you can find the different occasions, different categories. Beginner English conversation, business English conversation, and there is some settings and menu. And if you see here, yeah, so here you can see home, bookmark, offline mode, and remove ads. All these things are there. Yeah. So just I'm just clicking on this beginner English conversation. Yeah. Again in this, you can see the different categories: short, small, talk. There are 10 categories and 20 conversations. Complaints and feelings and opinions. Again, 10 categories and 20 conversations. Daily life, debate, argument, entertainment and food, talking about favors, future and regrets, home life, about the news, problems and advice. So these are the different things, different categories that are there for the English beginner conversations. Again, I am going back. Coming to the business English conversations. So you can see here business trip. Again, there are 6 categories and 20 conversations. Company related topics, dealing with business clients, dealing with co-workers in the office, negotiation related topics, networking related topics, news related topics, people in business, stress, advice, sympathy. Yeah. So just I will start. I'll go with like beginner English conversations, like a short, small talk, or like we'll go for daily life Okay. Okay. In daily life, you can see conversations about customer service or conversations about customer service missing order. So if you click here, so it takes some time for downloading the files that are related to that one. I already told you this contains inbuilt ads are there because it's a free. We are using the free version. It's not a pro version. Yeah, I have closed that one. So here there are first one is like a listening. Second one is like quiz. Third one is practice. And the fourth one is record. So here, first one is the students, they have to listen to the conversation. Second, we can develop the ability, the comprehending ability to what extent they have understood the conversation by attempting the quiz. And the next one is practice. Here in practice, they have to take the turn of any role. They can take the role of a sales clerk or customer in this conversation. And in the last one, that is record, they can record their own voice by taking a role of any one character that is there here. So let us try to listen to the conversation between a sales clerk and a customer about a missing order.
Sir, it is not audible, sir. Ravi Kumar, sir.
Not audible, sir.
Not audible, sir.
Sir, I think, see, actually, I am using the audio for this Zoom now. That's the reason it's stopping.
Yeah. Simultaneously, they are
simultaneously Zoom cannot access. So
Yes,
actually, my audio is being, my microphone is being accessed by the Zoom. That's the
Yes.
reason. That's the reason I
Yes.
regret. I regret for the inconvenience caused because
Yeah,
this
two
is an app.
gadgets
Android.
we have to use.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
two
Yeah.
devices
You
we have
cannot
to use.
access the Zoom.
Yes.
The
Yes.
microphone being accessed by the Zoom. That's the reason you cannot. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So here, one thing I wanted to tell you is that, so here, this is the audio part for the listening app, for the conversation, and the students can see the transcript here. They can see whenever they are listening to this, they can see, they can check the content, and after listening to it for multiple times, they can listen it for 1 time, 2 time, 3 times, like that. They can directly go for the quiz, so they can see, they can check their ability to what level, to what extent they have understood about the conversation. And the important part is here. So what we are stressing and why we are using this app, the particular purpose is that to improve or enhance the skills of speaking. So here, coming over the practice, so we have to take the role of any one character. So here again, when we click on this audio, only you will be getting a gap. Means this the software, or the software that is there, it will be taking the role of one character, and you have to your students has to take the role of one character. They have to speak under this practice. They can do it for a number of times, the practice, and after completion of this practice, they can go for record option. There you can see here, record option is available, and they can take the role of anyone, like sales clerk or a customer, and the app will be taking the role of one character, and it will be telling the dialogues, and automatically the student has to tell the dialogues pertaining to the other character by seeing the transcript which is available over here. Yeah. So let me show my students voice clippings so that you can get a clear idea. Yeah.
Molly and Dan?
Sir, is it audible?
No, what's going on?
They are getting
Yes, yes,
a
Really? They've been married for 30 years.
Dan cheated on Molly.
That is
So this is a audio recording of a class 7 student. So you can see the accent. Just a minute. Let me go back and come back again.
Is that your new bag?
yes. I got it yesterday.
It's beautiful. Do you like it?
It's pretty, but it hurts my shoulder.
That's not good. What?
Did you hear about Molly and Dan?
No. What's going on?
They're getting a divorce.
Really? They have been married for 30 years.
Dan,
I was on the phone for an hour.
Who were you talking to for an hour?
Sam, an old friend from college.
When is the last time you talked to him?
At college graduate.
Yeah. So this is how you can use this app, and that is the recordings of our students. So it's very simple app. Just by installing this English speaking practice, that where you can see the talk icon, and just going on listening first. In the first instance, they have to listen to the conversation. They may try to attempt the quiz. If they don't want to attempt the quiz, also directly they can go to the practice, and after practicing, they can do the recording and they can send it. So this is all about our English speaking practice app. So this is a very small topic. So if you have any queries, you can feel free to share.
Good evening, Ravikumar sir. This is
Sir,
Vishnu,
Vishnu
sir.
sir, good evening.
Sir. So hearty congratulations on your marvelous presentation on amazing. This is very useful for students. So only one thing. May I know your opinion about podcast, which is similar to this speaking app?
Sir, Vishnu sir, some audio, some background disturbance is there from your end.
Yeah, may I know your opinion about podcast audio app?
Yes,
no?
sir. Yeah.
So is there any
actually,
similarity between these two?
no, sir. Podcasting is different. Podcasting is different. So podcast, you can start your own school podcasting.
I see.
So podcasting is that. So earlier we used to listen to the radio.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, instead of using, nobody is using like radios. So you can create your own podcasting. Like you can create your own school podcasting, and you can record the voices of the students, and you can make it available on your school podcast. This podcast will be available lifetime. Means till the years where internet is available on the earth, the podcast will be available. So it is like a broadcasting. Broadcasting is nothing but like a broadcasting. So like radio waves. Earlier we used radio waves for broadcasting the radio programs. Now we are using internet for storing of the audios of our students, and particularly many many companies like Spotify and all other podcasting, like where in S2L Karimnagar also, like Vinedar sir, under the leadership of Vinedar sir, many of the teachers have done about 4 minutes BBC English. That is also about very useful one. After completion of that 4-minute English, there will be some questions related to the conversation. The students has to write the answers. That was done as a pilot project in Karimnagar S2L Karimnagar district for nearly 100 days like that. Okay, sir. So this is particularly this speaking app is useful only to encourage the speaking skills, because there is no need of any partner. The student can do it all alone. They can do like a single without any partner. And whenever they find any leisure time, they can use this app and they can go on. And really, it will improve their accent. It will improve their accent. Yeah. Any other, sir?
Okay, thank you very much, sir, for your
Thank you,
useful explanation.
Ravikumar sir. wonderful and easy app. It won't there's no need of much technology, and when even the students can make use of it. And with this, the students can learn. They can improve their accent, and they can improve their speaking skills too. Very useful. We can share this app among our students, and we can make them to speak fluently with good accent. Vinolya Kalpana, ma'am, is raising some doubt. Madam, could you ask the doubt?
Yes, madam. The students can send their recordings. So after, after you can just I share again the app and show it how they can send. Just a minute.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, yes, madam, definitely. So here, this is the app. So here in recording, you can see this start recording option. After completion of that recording, they can get option like share option. So here in this of 3 lines, yeah. So here under this, in this category, they can see. Like in voice recording app is also there, where you can find all your voice recordings like that. After completion of a particular conversations, all these will be stored in this this file. Okay, that will be stored on your device, or that will be stored in the device of the students. They can click on the share option. They can share it in the WhatsApp groups. Any other?
Nice. Any other questions? Even reflections are welcome.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Sir, Raju sir, good evening.
Good evening, sir. Thank you for introducing such a useful app for us, sir. Is there any time limit to record the speaking, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Automatically, it will be there. The time limit will be there because the app from one end, the app is taking the role of one character. So you have to means the students has to go on try. They have to speak the particular dialogue within a stipulated time. If they are not going to speak in that stipulated time, automatically the next dialogue will come.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
It doesn't wait. It doesn't wait.
Okay.
Yeah, with this, the students has to maintain the speed speech also.
Yes, they have to see the transcript and they have to go on speaking. And one thing I want to tell you, sir, it's not an exaggeration. So when I attempted for the TOEFL, I also used this app, sir.
Wonderful, sir. Really, it is wonderful. So we can
So nice.
definitely change our accent also, sir, by using this app.
Even we teachers also can improve.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
For
sir,
teachers also, it's very useful, sir. We can change our accent, definitely.
Thank you, sir.
And merely I told you, 500 plus conversations are there here in this.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Sir, okay, thank you very much, sir. Sir Tivra, sir, thank you very much for giving me an opportunity.
Thank you, sir. You have introduced a very useful app for us today. Thank you very much and congratulations. Now, may I invite the second presenter, K. Shyam Sundar Reddy.
Yeah, it's B, sir. Yeah, B Shyam Sundar.
It is B. Okay.
Yeah,
Who is working
B for
in
Bombay.
and is not only a teacher of English, is a good teacher in math, in science also. He worked in science center, and he has a lot of contribution for science too. And he did many projects, and he also helped in mobile science team He was the forerunner in our district in S12 Warangal, and he did lot of projects. And he proved himself in English also, though he started his journey as a teacher of English late because of involvement in schools. But he, within short span of time, he involved in English and is participating in each and every activity that is conducted by ELTA. Thank you, Shyam Sundar Reddy sir. Now over to you. You may please start your session on speech notes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, TV Rao, sir. I'm very happy from your warm words and sentences regarding what the work has been done. Thanks a lot for ALTA and particularly the senior personals like Vinyadhar sir, Venkateshwar Rao sir, and Lakshman sir, Madhvi madam, and many are there like Sampath sir and Ravi Kola and Srinivas sir. Just you are ideal to me. I'm learning from you, and I have to do some work in English also. And it is also very interesting by learning all the tools initiated by ELTA. I'm very much impressed and I'm thankful to you also, and very much happy to hear with you to share my ideas about a little and small apps like speech notes. It is really a beautiful app as the TAC app also now already Ravi Kola sir also explained, presented a beautiful app like this. This is also very useful app for us. Let me show the uses of this app first. Later I'll explain about this. It is very useful actually as a teacher or a educator. Everybody may not have the experience of keyboard of computer. We may not have the skill to type the sentences or anything, and we have to spend so much of time to type anything. So I would use it to type the sentences and projects regarding science before 5 or 7 years. I thought if I known this app, the speech notes, I would have completed within 1 month of my book. I have written a book on that is science, Sardaga science. If I have known earlier, I would have completed within 1 year, 1 month. But it took for 6 months and more than 6 months also to complete my text. That is a book on projects. So here by learning, by knowing about this, it is very easy. Let me share and let me show what is the use of that, what is the workmanship of this app first. After I'll explain a little bit about this, and it is very small and simpler app. Let us see about this one. Is it visible to you, sir?
Yes, yes.
Is my
Visible.
screen share
My
visible?
picture is, I can see my picture.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yes. Is it okay? Is it visible to you all?
Okay, sir. Okay, will
Yes, sir. This is the app simply on the laptop. Now I'm working. We also can get the app download from Android phone also. See, just here it is the icon of this app, speech notes icon. This is. If you click on this one, while you are speaking, the transcription will go on, and you will get all the material, whatever that material you want. Just let me show it this. Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you? I'm very much happy to here with you to share my views and my ideas about this app. I'm Shamsundar Reddy from just I'm Shamsundar Reddy, school assistant, working at Jilla Parishad High School, Mulugu district. Having this opportunity, I'm very much happy, and the Alta team is working vigorously and seamlessly to give aware of all technical tools to our English fraternity, not only the English fraternity, but also for all the teacher community. See, sir, is it visible to you all?
Yeah, visible, sir. Shamsundar, sir.
Please. Yes, yes.
Visible, visible.
By go on telling, by go on saying anything, it will be go on transcripting into the text. So what the matter is being taught by the teacher or any auditor, it will be in the transcript, means text form. And after that, we can simply copy this one, and we can send it through mail, or we can share it into the cloud storage, or can get the print also. Everything will be available to this. Here you can see these all options were given here. If you want to send it directly through mail, you can send it. This is a speech note, sir. Whatever the language you want to, that you can select here, and you can speak in that language. You will be getting all the text of that language. This is the usefulness of this app. That's it. How to use this app, and what are the techniques and what are the precautions to be taken. Here you see all, if you say period, the full stop will come. And if you say comma, comma will come. If you want to get any that is question mark, you have to say question mark, colon, semicolon, and exclamation mark, and a hyphen, all these things. If you want to change the line, new line, and new paragraph, this is the way it also take consider, and it works in this commanding. This is the usefulness of this app, sir. By clicking on that, you can stop that, and you can copy this, you can send. Most of us we may not have the experience of the keyboard. We cannot type this much speed. By simply go on speaking, you may get all the text whatever you want. If you want to write if you want to narrate a story, that story will be written in this way. Okay, so this is the that one. And if you want to get all this one, what the matter you expressed here, and what the matter you told, that you can get again by pressing here. This is
Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you? I am very much happy to here with you to share my views and my ideas.
sir, is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you? I am very much happy to here with you to share my views and my ideas about this app. I am Shyam Sundar Reddy, school assistant working at Zilla Parishad High School, Mulugu district. Having the opportunity, I am very much happy.
Yeah, this is the way you can get how you are actually speaking, what the spelling mistake, and what the that is pronunciation mistake you can find out. And here it is the app 90% accuracy will be given, sir. Only 90%. More than 90% you cannot expect from this. And while you are narrating or while you are speaking, the clarity should be very much needed here. And so this is about the presentation. that is speech notes. This is online notepad, free dictation app. In those days, olden days, we would get the dictation. If teacher gives us 100%, that is 10 out of 10, we would get very happy. This is a dictation like app. If you tell, that will simply write on the screen. Yeah, here it is the difficulty with us about that screen, that is keyboard. Type a speed speech. Whatever the speed you speak, that much speed you can type the text. And it is auto saves. Automatically it saves document in real time upon any change. And one click, that's it. Health advantages means you need not to sit more time before the computer. Simply whatever the matter you want, that you must speak over there, and immediately you can get the text of that, and need not to spend so much time and get any injury of our health. Tips to continue this one: connect a high quality microphone to your PC, click the mic. Your browser will pop up a request for you to allow the site to listen to your mic. Start dictating. Speak slowly and clearly. Space your words and emphasize correct dictation or diction for better results. Say or click on a punctuation mark. If you want to get, sometimes it may not getting that punctuation marks, you can simply press the punctuation marks like that is period or comma or question mark. By go on pressing them, you can get the clear idea about that. Okay, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. And I think you know about this app. Just you go to the Google Chrome and you just type speech notes, you will be getting everything. And in the Android phone, you can get the app. How to download that app, everybody knows, I think. This is about that. Okay, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. This is simple and superb. And with the help of this one, we can that is copy. If you are unable to get a proper idea about any foreigner speaking, simply you can record that. Means if you open that app and keep near him, everything will be text out, so that you can later understand. The comprehension will be very good by this app. This is about that app, sir. That's it.
Thank you, Shyam Sundar Reddy sir. It's a nice app and very easy app.
Thank you, sir.
Everyone can use without having much knowledge of technology. Today, what we have dealt with today are very easy and very simple, very useful apps. And what you said
Yes, sir.
finally, even if we type the language of the speaker and put before him, and that script can be easily translated and can be easily understood by the listener or audience.
Yes,
A nice
yes,
app,
sir.
sir.
You can take, these are all the that is different type of languages. See here, I am taking Telugu also. నమస్కారం అండి. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరంతా బాగున్నారని భావిస్తున్నాను. ఈరోజు పాఠశాలలు ప్రారంభం జరిగినటువంటి సందర్భంగా పిల్లలంతా కూడా చాలా కోలాహలంగా, ఆకర్షణీయంగా, అందంగా పాఠశాలకు రావడం జరిగింది. ఒకరినొకరు చూసుకొని చాలా ఆనందపడడం అనేటువంటి జరిగింది. ఉపాధ్యాయులందరూ కూడా దశల వారీగా కాకుండా ఒకేసారి పాఠశాలకు హాజరవ్వడం కూడా చాలా మందిని ఉత్సాహపరిచింది. Yes, sir. This is the way we can get in even Telugu also. Manam just by copy, we can send through WhatsApp or any mail. This is the very useful app for typing. Without typing, we can send whatever the matter we want to send. Okay, sir. Thank you.
We must thank to the technology.
Yes.
Technology
Yes.
made our lives very easy and high tech, and our things are done very easily. Now there are some queries from our participants. Any questions? Balaji sir, are you there?
Here different type of techie tools are there. Depend on the creativity of the teacher, he can excel in that, and he can excel in his teaching profession, sir.
Right. Lata ma'am, she's asking that how many languages are there in this app? Miss, this app can access how many languages or what languages?
Actually, actually I did not count them. Number of languages are there, ma'am, but for our sake, Hindi, Telugu, English is available.
Yeah.
These three are available.
Mostly used languages of the world also there, I think.
Yeah, mostly used language like all that is Italiano, Korean, Hindi, Magyar, Norwegian, Polski. Number of languages are there, sir. China, Algeria, Egypt, Iraq, Jordan. Yeah, we have Telugu, Hindi, English. So these are enough for us.
So another question from Srishalam sir is asking, can I download this app?
Yeah, sir.
A question from Srishalam sir.
Repeat it, sir.
Can I download the app in my Android phone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Simply you can download, sir. Like all apps we are downloading, in the same manner we can download it. Because what is the use of showing that download is and each and everything? That's the reason I did not show. As all the apps, how we are downloading, in the same manner we can download, sir. Everybody knows that, sir.
Yes.
If it is needed to show it, I can show it.
Another question from Bala. Yeah, you may show it, sir. Okay, no problem.
Yes.
Is there any editing option? Is a question from Balaji, sir.
Yes, sir. By after typing that, it is showing only 90% of the accuracy. So we have to look after that. After see here, this we want to get an idea by pressing this that speaker icon. It completely reads again. While reading, it reads again. While reading, we can get any difficulty with that. And the punctuation marks, we have to look after that. The editing option means we have to look after the punctuation wherever we need it. And here, while speaking, we may not get proper punctuation marks. By pressing or by clicking through the keyboard, we can get punctuation marks in properly. And if there is any difficulty or if there is any deviation from the punctuations, we have to look after. That's it. The editing option means what the product is coming already. To that product, we have to fine up. That's it.
Yeah, what you said is right. The diction also must be good. Otherwise,
yeah, the clarity.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Right. Another question from Vishnu sir. Is it possible to translate the text
Vishnu,
from one language to another language?
One to another language means what the language you are going to speak, that language will come in that. Again, if you want to change it into the language, you have to speak over through this app. You have to speak the particular language, in which language you want to get the production or get the text. And the translator is also there, no sir? One more app is there, the translator. We have the Google Translator. If you want to change anything, yeah, that is one more app we have, Google Translator. If you want to get this all Telugu into Telugu English, little bit changes are a little bit difficult with maybe with that, because 100% accuracy will not come from the translator also. You have to change them and change them according to the grammar part and everything. But 75 to 80% of the text will change into one language to another language, sir.
Right.
In the Google Translator.
Any other questions? Any
If
reflection?
anybody having any doubt, please
Add any point?
speak out, sir.
Good evening, Shamchandra Reddy, sir.
Yeah, sir. Good evening, sir. Please tell.
Yeah, sir. It is really fantastic. It is very useful for us to do some notes for our students to share through WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I think that the editing will be done manually if there is any mistakes in the transcript.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Manually we can.
Yes, sir. We have to look
edit.
after that particularly.
Yeah. Thank you very much, sir, for
Manual edited
introducing
only. We can change it into the. Yeah, sir. And here, particularly, it is very useful to us in the comprehension purpose, sir. Passage writing, we will give to our students. It takes so much time to write on the blackboard or to type through laptop or any gadget. But by reading that, simply we can get the passage. Even after that passage, we also can read the questions. That's it. Within 5 minutes, we can prepare the comprehension passage.
Yes, sir. Exactly. So that's why it is a fantastic app and very much useful for us, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for introducing this kind of useful app for us.
Yes,
thank you.
Good evening, Shamsundar Reddy, sir. Simply super presentation
Yes,
and very useful apps. The speech notes, sir.
Thank you.
So congratulations
Yes,
to you.
yes.
Yeah, and
Thank you,
I must appreciate you for having commanding over 2 subjects on bioscience and as well as in English. That is clearly visible in your speech and presentation. Yes. So
multi-talented, sir.
Multi-talented. So we are very grateful to Elsa Telangana for having such a resourceful person like you. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you for your clarification. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm very happy to part in this.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Please, anybody.
Thank you, and hearty congratulations to Shamsundar Reddy sir and Ravi Kumar Kola. Hope you have no doubts anymore. Will it be okay if we start our next session at 7:30? Any problem? It's only for the convenience. As we looked at the strength of this day, and most of them have joined.
It is better to start 7:30, sir, because in some days we can't reach our home, sir, within that stipulated time, 7 o'clock, 7 p.m.
If we are at more than 40 kilometers distance, reaching home and getting ready for class is somewhat difficult. So we have decided that after the class will be at 7:30 p.m.
TV Rao sir, may I know the exact number of teachers enrolled for this course, sir?
Really, 272 registered, but of course we don't think all will continue. But anyway, who are interested, who have enthusiasm, who wants to learn, can continue. Okay. Anyway, whoever are joining us, and learning and exploring are enough. Okay.
Okay, thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir. I'm very happy to be part in this program. Really, I appreciate Alta. I'm a new person. You are all senior persons. How you are doing this work, it is really amazing. It is not exaggeration, but there is no other subject teachers like us. I think you are taking good initiation and that is time punctuality and meticulously you are taking care about all the teachers and particularly even making calls to them and waking up them to and reminding them to participate. And it is really like mentorship is very excellent. That is I accept and it is appreciable for ELTA team. Thanks each and every teacher who participated here and patiently listened to me. Behalf of me and my school, I'm very much thankful to you and congratulations all over the teachers who are taking part in this and helpful and supporting for this enhancing of techie